Dear learners, congratulations to everyone in today's live session in favor of Khulna Online School. At first, take the well wishes from the core of my heart. How are you everyone? I hope you are well. And I am also well. I want to introduce myself with you at first. Okay, I am Rafi Ahmed, assistant teacher at Greenview High School, Chapanawganj. Okay learners, in today's class, at first I want to show you something. Okay, but before showing you something, please you tell me by comment, is everything okay or not? Please tell me. Please tell me everything is okay or not. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I will show you something. At first, look at me very carefully. Can you see what is this? Yes, you can see. Can you tell me what is this? This is what? Tell me. This is an elephant. Okay. After that, I want to show you another thing. Okay. Tell me what is this? This is a fish. Okay. And after that, you see what is this? This is an apple. Okay. And now, look at me. Where is the apple now? Where? Now, the apple is on the elephant. Okay. So, what may be our today's topic? Can you tell me? Please tell by comment. Okay, what may be our today's topic? Please tell by comment. Anshurohan sir, thank you. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, yes, our today's topic is about article, because here you see an, a, the. Okay, all these things are the symbol of article. So our today's topic is about article. Okay learners, you know a, an, and the. These three things are called article. Yes, and you know there are two types of article. One is called indefinite article, that means which is not definite, and other is called definite article, that means which is very fixed. Okay. Okay, here you see a and an. These two things are indefinite article. When we want something or we tell something not by fixed, when you say I need a pen, it may be red pen, it may be green, it may be blue. Okay, but when I will fix, I need the blue color pen, then this is fixed, that means I need this pen. Okay, then it is called this definite article the. And you know sometimes we see omission of article, that means where an article is not used. Okay, we will see in our class one by one, indefinite, definite, and next one omission of article. Sometimes we see an article is not used. Okay. Okay learners, so now let's start from indefinite article a and an, that means use of a and an. Okay, at first I am writing one sentence. I have dash pen. Okay, again, he has dash elephant. So you normally know what may be there. I have a pen. It may be in different color or different size or different style. Okay, but you see, I have a pen because you see here, this is pen, and before pen you have to use article. And please, dear learners, give me attention. You will keep in mind, article is not used based on letter. Actually, article is used based on pronunciation. We know there are two types of letter in our English. Okay, one is vowel and another is consonant. And you everyone know A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are what? Vowel. Okay, and the rest 21 letters are consonant. And we normally think A is used before the consonant letter, but from today you will keep in mind, actually article is used not based on letter, it is used based on pronunciation. Okay, if there is any vowel sound, then there will be an, and if there is any consonant sound, then there will be a. Okay, here I have dash pen. Okay, pen, here this is consonant sound, so we have to use here a. And after that you see, he has dash elephant, so here sound is vowel sound, so you have to use here what? You have to use here an. Okay, okay dear learners, after that you see some exceptional examples. Okay, so now let's start the exceptional example. The exceptional example is that, please attention to me, when we write down he is dash honorable man. Here look at this word, here you see a dash or gap, and after that you see a word, and this word is about honorable, which is very respectful. Okay, and now look at the first letter of this word. The first letter of this word is H, and you know H is consonant, so what may be the answer? If you think like vowel and consonant letter, then as this is consonant, so here you will use what? A. But I will show you different thing here. Okay, different thing is that here look at the pronunciation of this word. What is the pronunciation of this word? Honorable. That means here H is hidden. Look at from O, honorable. Okay, so here sound is very vowel sound, though the word starts with the letter consonant, but here sound is vowel. As this is vowel sound, so what you will write here? Of course, an. Okay learners, next I will give you another more examples. Okay, so stay with me. Then he is dash honors graduate. Okay, after that you see he left dash here. Okay, after that I am writing I shall come dash hour later. And after that you can see she is dash honest woman or lady. Okay, dear learners, now can you understand what may be here the article is? Please try to fill up and give me in the comment box. What may be the article here? Here you see he is dash honors graduate. Here you see first letter is H, but again this H is very hidden and the sound starts from O. After that he left dash your. Here you see H again hidden. This is your. Okay, that means the next generation. Okay, dear students. And after that you see I shall come dash hour later. Here hour, that means time, and if you hide age then it is hour. Okay, and but if you actually totally hide this then meaning is changed. This is hour, but here the first letter is age but pronunciation is hidden of age. Okay, after that you see C is dash, again H is hidden, honest woman. So what may be the article here? Can you tell me, dear learners? Please tell me by comment. Okay, learners. Okay, so Hilarana, very good work. Light up down course, but overall good standing. Okay, thank you for your comment. এমটি রাতুল সুন্দর লাগছে, ধন্যবাদ। Meshouddin sir, smart. Thank you, sir. Sir, you are so smart. Emil Mamun, very good, ma'am. Okay, but I want to know the answer of these articles. Okay, Miss Pasar is watching. Thank you, sir. Okay, Mintu Ali, nice. Very good. Sobuj Hassan Porichonno, Shabolil, ধন্যবাদ. Okay, now I want to see Firoz Ahmed, congratulations, thank you. Okay, can you tell me what may be the answer here, A or N? Okay, please try to tell and I am giving you the answer. Okay, all the answer will be what? A or N? Of course N, because here all the pronunciation of H is hidden. Okay, learners, and if you have any problem for understanding, please tell me by comment box. I will try my best. Okay, and stay with me. After that I will show you another more examples of very different or exceptional articles. Okay, learners, now come to the pronunciation of U. Okay, here you see actually U is vowel. Okay, you know A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel and U is actually vowel. And now look at one example. I have dash umbrella. Okay, this is umbrella. So pronunciation is about what? Vowel or consonant? Umbrella. Okay, this is umbrella. So here you have to use article and. But here I will tell you another exceptional thing, and the thing is that if the pronunciation of you is like you, then there will be a instead of an. Okay, if I give an example, then it will be very clear to you. Okay, here I am writing he is dash university student. His dash university student. Okay, learners, please see here. This is you, that means vowel. But here the pronunciation is like you. The pronunciation of you is like you. University. So what will be here? Here, though this is vowel, but you have to use article a. Okay? Though it is vowel, you have to use here a because pronunciation is you. Okay, can you tell me any word which starts from the letter U and here sound is also like you? Can you tell me? If you can, please write me on comment. Can you tell me another word which starts from U and the sound is also U, like university? Okay, please tell me. Okay, I see if anyone tell. Okay, okay, one answer here, and Rahim Iqbal, thank you. And again you write, what a nice class it is. Thank you for your inspiration actually. Zahid Hassan, thanks ma'am. Thanks to you. Mahfuz Akhtar, nice. Thanks to you. Okay. Okay, here I am telling you at first. Okay. Here I see I have dash uniform. Uniform. Do you know about uniform? Of course, like formal. When you wear any dress in our school, like formal, then we called it uniform. Okay, here look at this. Pronunciation is like uniform, not uniform. So what may be here? Of course, a. Okay, and after that, can you tell me any word which starts from the letter U and pronunciation is U? Okay, I am giving you another word. We have dash union council. Okay, here look at this, not onion. This is union council. Okay, so what will be here? Again a. And it may be unit, it may be unique. Okay, it may be useful also. Look at useful. U. Again, pronunciation is like you. Okay, dear learners. Then I will show you another thing. Okay. Okay, learners, again look at me. Now I am writing on sentence and try to get. He is dash European. Okay, please look at this. Here you see European. The word starts with the letter E, and E is also vowel, you know. But look at the pronunciation here. E is hidden. Again, pronunciation U is like European. So what may be here? Normal, if you we have written I have dash elephant. Here the word elephant or for egg, you will write what? An. Okay? This is starts from E and you have given here N. But here pronunciation is what? European, like before. So what will be the article here? Can you tell me? Of course, you can tell. Why not? Here article is A. Okay? He is a European. Again, you see here another exceptional example. Do you want to see? Yes, of course. Here it is dash UE. Do you know about UE? What is UE? UE is the female gender of lamb. Okay, understand? Yes, look at this. Here the word starts with the letter E. Okay? And here what is the sound? Again, not AE. This is UE. Okay? UE. Again, pronunciation is like U. So what may be the article here? Again A, though it is vowel. Okay, learners, and I am showing you another example. I need dash 1 taka note. Though I need 1 taka note, I know you cannot give me 1 taka note. Okay? And after that, I am writing another sentence. I need dash orange. Or I am writing it is dash owl. Okay, learners, look at these 3 sentences. What is the difference here? At first, see the similarity. Here, the word starts with the letter O. This word also starts with the letter O. And this word also starts with the letter O. But what is the difference here? Here difference is again pronunciation. Here just one thing is exceptional. Please keep it in mind. One thing is exceptional. And what is the exceptional thing? Okay? Exceptional thing is that if the pronunciation of O is like wa, is like what? Is like wa, like wa. Then there will be A, though it is vowel. Okay? And here you see, this is not 1. This is not 1. This is 1. I need a 1 taka note. This is not I need a 1 taka note. Okay? And after that you see I need dash orange. You cannot tell here I need dash orange. Okay? This is orange. So what will be here? Here it will be an, because here pronunciation is not like wa. Again you see it is dash owl. Do you know about owl? This is one type of animal. Okay? And one type of bird, which is very, we think this is very ferocious. Okay? It is dash owl. Okay? So this is not owl. This is owl. So what will be here? Of course, an. Okay, learners, do you understand? Please, if you have any problem, if you have any query, please tell me in comment box. Okay, now I want to see what you are telling me. Okay, Mahfuz Akhtar, nice, thank you. Jahidul Hasan, thanks ma'am. Thank you too. Roy Maibal, and okay, you are giving the answer. Emil Mamun, keep it running, thank you. MD Hanif from Penny, thank you. Kaushar Chapana from Chapa is watching, thanks. Kaushar Chapai, thank you sir, again nice class. Shofikul Islam Shofik is also watching, thank you. Okay, Rohi Maikbal, what you are saying? A on Taka note and orange. That means you are giving me the answer. Very good. Please stay with me. Okay, Miss Baudin Sadhar Upastapana. Thank you, sir. Please stay with me, sir, by encouragement. Miss Jabin Haidar Lamia Mia. Thank you, ma'am, for helping us. Thank you. Thank you too for watching and stay with me. Okay, thanks everyone. Now we will say another thing. Okay, another thing is that sometimes we see abbreviated words. Okay, what is abbreviated word? The word which are in very short. This is abbreviated. Now we will see, like he is dash MA. What is MA here? Actually, MA is for Masters of Arts. First one I am writing Master of Arts. Okay, this is for Masters of Art. Again I am writing he is dash MP. That means what? Member of Parliament. Okay, and I am writing another thing. She is dash BA. That means Bachelor of Arts. Again, he is dash LLB. The Bachelors of Law. And like this you see many things like SI, like FCPS, like MBBS, many things. Okay, just I am giving you the clue here. Okay, look at these abbreviated words. Here you see MA. Okay, this is M, and you know M is consonant. Okay, as this is consonant, so the answer may be N. Answer may be A. But look at this. I have told you, actually article is based on pronunciation, not letter. You will not think about letter, okay? Always you will think about the pronunciation. Here M-A, aim. So here pronunciation is very vowel pronunciation, aim, okay? So here what will be the answer? Of course, and because pronunciation is vowel. Okay, after that you see MP, again aim. So what will be here? Of course, and please can you tell me, C is dash BA, Bachelor of Arts. Please don't it mind that if there is any abbreviated word, always there will be N. No. Of course, you have to give importance on pronunciation. This is about BA. She is dash BA. So B is pronounced like consonant. So what will be the answer here? Of course A. And after that his dash LLB. Again L. So pronunciation is vowel N. Okay, now I will teach you more exceptional things. Okay, please stay with us. And if you have any query, please tell me by comment box. Okay, learners. Now you will see another thing, and the thing is that sometimes A is used when this is the same or certain. I am giving you one examples. Here examples is criminals are of dash. That means the same. Same what? Of course, character. Okay, I am writing another example. This is one. Another is they are men of dash. That means again the same. Here I am writing another thing, profession. Again the another sentence is there lived dash. That means a certain king. Okay, learners, here please attentively look at. Criminals are of dash means the same characters. Actually, criminals are the same characters. So here what will be the article? Criminals are of, if you give article as here character, so it will be A. Criminals are of A characters. That means the same character. Okay? Answer is criminals are of a character. Here A is indicating what? A is indicating the same. And you know this. Actually criminals are the same character. Here this is disguised and here it will be A. And after that you see they are men of dash profession, like teacher, like doctor, like judge or another thing. They are men of same profession. So what will be the article here? This is profession. So here article will be again A. And after that you see there lived as king. You know that there lived a king many years ago. Okay, you know that. Actually here A is indicating a certain period. Once upon a time, on that period, there was a king. So here A is actually indicating a certain. And sometimes you see the king went dash hunting. Actually here for disguised preposition article will be used A. You know here one is preposition, but for disguised preposition here article will be used as A. That means A equal to 1. A is indicating 1. the king went a hunting. That means the king went one hunting. Okay, if it is for article, then you will use a. Okay, learners, and stay with me. You will see many exceptional things. Okay, learners, after that you see before plural noun article a is used where? Sometimes you see few or little or good many or lot of, and these words are used before plural noun. Okay, like great many, like great deal of. Okay, I am giving you example. He earns dash lot of money, and after that there is dash little water in the glass. Another and last example is King Solomon had dash great deal of wisdom. Okay, learners, here you see before plural nouns article what will be used here. Here he earns dash lot of money. That means a lot of money. That means very huge. Okay, large. So what will be here? Here article will be a. He earns a lot of money. And after this, there is dash little water in the glass. That means very simple, water. So what will be here? Little, that means again a. And last one you see, King Solomon had dash great deal of wisdom. You know, do you know about King Solomon? Actually, King Solomon was very wise king. And in my next another class, I will tell you the story of King Solomon. There is very interesting story of King Solomon. Okay, today I am not telling about this. So here King Solomon had again a great deal of wisdom. Okay, and now I will show you another example. Okay, learners, sometimes for dozen, for million, billion, 100,000, you have to use article. Okay, now I am giving you the example. At first I am writing the main word, that means couple. Couple is for pair. That means after that dozen, that means for 12. And after that you see score, and you know score is for how? 20. That means 20. After that 100. And you know about 100, okay? Or 1000. Or million. Okay, learners, before these words, article is used and what will be here? Now you will see that. Okay, on example is he bought dash dozen pens. After that you see at least dash million of people attended the meeting. Okay, learners, please listen to me very carefully. He bought dash dozen pens. That means how dozen? Just one dozen. And if it is for article, then you have to use here for dozen what will be? A. If it is for one dozen, then you have to use here he bought a dozen pens. That means 12 pen. Because this is plural. That means one is singular, and after that if it is more than one, this is plural. And dozen, that means for 12, and as this is plural, so you have to write here pens. Okay, and if it is for 2 dozens, then there will be no article. You have to write 2 dozens and it will not be article. And just for single dozen, that means for 12, then you have to use a. After that you say at least dash million of people attended the meeting. How million? At least 1 million. Okay, 1 million. As it is 1 million, so for article you have to use here million and a. Okay, learners. And now I will try my best to show you another thing. So please stay with me and please know me about your feelings about your query. ওকে রহিমা ইকবাল ম্যাম প্রতিদিন কি এই ক্লাস হবে এই সময়ে? ওকে, I will try my best to take your class as our routine. Okay, you will follow the routine. Thank you. Okay, Moshiut Tuhin, nice class ma'am. Thank you. Nilima Vishas, excellent. Thank you ma'am. রহিমা ইকবাল খুব ভালো লাগছে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ। জাহিদুল হাসান, থ্যাংকস ম্যাম। এমডি রাতুল, সুন্দর ক্লাস হচ্ছে, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ইউর ইন্সপাইরেশন। এমডি হানিফ ফ্রম ফেনি, থ্যাংক ইউ। শহীদুল ইসলাম ইজ অলসো ওয়াচিং, থ্যাংক ইউ। ক্যামেরা
বুঝি না রাত্রে কেন গেলাম